Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is episode 2. My name is Matt, and I'm really excited that you've joined for this second episode as I'll talk through websites. Hotel websites is one of the most critical things to think about when you have a sales and marketing strategy, and it is probably the most efficient source of business if you do this well. Throughout my conversations in the last 12 years with hoteliers, I've always found this to be a difficult topic or sometimes an uncomfortable topic because hoteliers aren't always that well versed in talking about their digital strategy. So I just wanted to share some of the learnings that I've learned in the last 12 years. And I'll talk through, first of all, building a web strategy. What is it? How do you do it? Secondly, as you have a website, how do we drive traffic into that website? And then once the customers are in your shop, how do we get them to buy something? So how do we get them to drive a conversion? And hopefully, as you do a great job, once the guests arrive to your hotel, you entice them to come back. How do we get them back in? Because a returning customer is the most affordable, most efficient channel that you could ever hope for. And hopefully we can entice them to book direct every single time in the future as they come back to your hotel. Let's get going.